Hi listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to Upptalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say Upptalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
Just better. If we want, you can create a user same each 4 groups. Right. You have created now. Now leave it. You understood right now the concept. The same way you have to do. This is what I'll have integration. And go to the settings. Configuration options. Here, just click on a little integration. And go to that direct place. Here it is mapped right. Click on that. You can see the configurations of what we are giving and all those things. We can see that. This is how we need to check whether it is mapping or not. That close. And now you understand right how to do the delta integration. And go to the configuration option. Go to the step up wizard. Up, step up, the top. Here there are the 2 options. One is JL integration. That is already done. And the file. This is the email notification. Click on that next. SMB integration. How we have to do, we have to get the address of the SMTP and send the email to whom it should be. Go to that notification. I'm just telling that. There. What fields we need to give to my noters. We need to give the some address of that. And the center email, for example, if you want to send the notification on the platform, we need to give that email. We need to collect the email from the application manager, and we have to update here that it will notify that whenever you are changing the password. Whatever it is, we want to notify them. We have to notify through email. And additional settings. Second. I want to see the full screen. And advanced settings. Under display name. If you want to can write it at, and this is the board is always remember. 25 port MPTP port number. Maybe you may get some question. And the recipient's demise. You want to give the domain names here. You can update and be with the PWL always. You can click on next. Once you update all these things, you can click on next. It will be set up like this. SMTP integration is very easy and we have to set up. We have to update these fields and set up it. That whenever you are changing something, it will automatically get notification to the particular domain users, particular application managers. Whoever you want to keep here, they will get the notification of which are particular changes. If something happened, it will notify them. Got it. The next step would be, I think, still it is not loading. It is still loading. Running the post installation. Maybe it will take some time. Do you understand that query gets done fine? Any solution is nothing. And then open the O. I will show you that how to do the. Go to the accounts and the account. Add account. And side one arrow is there. Click on that arrow. Click on that arrow. No, go back. Add accounts for me. For fire from file. Click on that. Here, this is the bulk uploading. Whenever you want to do the bulk uploading, because one account you can add manually, that is fine. If you want to do more than 10, if you want to do 100 accounts at a time, we can do it. How you can do it? Just download a sample CSV file. No, here on the, click on that, click on download, click on download. Mama, click on. That's no problem. Click on download one, just open it. Do you have Excel? I guess in the lab. Don't have an Excel. That's a problem. No, it's not here. Not just open the node. Then I will explain the fields. Otherwise, you cannot show you anything. Open that. I know Excel is not there in the lab. I know. You can copy that file into the local machine and it can open it. You can copy the file and paste into the local machine. That's any other local machine. Select row and maximize it. All they expand that colon. All they select on a tab. Control. First control. 1 sec. You updated your copy in the username control. Now select first row. Not column. Select. One number one side is a row. Select all. Oh. Here, these are the mandate. What needs to be here updated? The first thing, username, is the mandatory one and address field is a mandatory one. Save name and flag. The other field is not required. If you have updated, if you don't have, also no need to bother about it. Just these are the 4 is mandate. When you are doing the bulk of loading, if you want to give, now the password you can give it. If you don't want to give, no need to worry about it here. The secret is there, right in that we need to update the secret. But I'm telling you, no need to give anything. We just allocate to the reconcile account and it will automatically change the password. That's not a big deal. But here just give the username, address, save name, flap of my day. Then save into this Excel file and upload into the go to the PVDO. Here drag and drop the file or browse. Click on plus and drop the upload that Excel here and upload it. Anyway, here it is not there. Don't worry. Just on right. That one. Don't upload. Don't upload now. Just click on that. Click on that. Open means it will automatically. It came now. The file contains one or more icons without secret. That means you can remove it. That's not a big deal. No, cancel it. Not correct by now. Anyway, we are not going because we need to prepare like that. That's sample bias. Based on the sample file, we need to update the account details and upload here. And once you upload, then we can do it. Once you upload, you have to click on upload. It will automatically come into the disk. It is a constant to the disk. It is a storage. If it is good. If it is everything is good, it will automatically onboard. If something happened, it will go to these. Go to the accounts field. I will show you. If something happened, it will come into the pinnings list of the pinnings account. In the pinnings, you need to see that. What was the reason it was not onboarded into the account? Not onboarded. What is the reason? We may be. Some safe name is incurrent. Maybe some address name is incurrent. Based on that, we need to check that. Got it. And you add a read the bind user in the AD to mine. You didn't onboard this, but it came into the CyberArk. Because you have given the mapping. Now you can see this. If you click on the three dots pop, just sorry, can show it. Double click on it. Here, just want to show the password. Click on. The reason for something, anything you can give. This is the password. Whatever the password you are given, this is the correct or not. It's correct. Like that you can show on copy and click on close in the three dots. Because for you it is not activated to connect button. That needs to be activated. How we can go to the policies. Policy, master policies. Session management. It's an alright. Is that an button also active? It's not installed. Once that is installed, you can get it. How can we install the PSM here? No, we can install the PSM. That's not an issue. But the only thing is you are not able to connect PSM through a D. That is a main problem. We need to create that remote desktop services and then we need to start the collection agent. One collection which we need to create it. One that is done. You can do it in installation of the PSM the same way how I have done. Now, once the PSM installation is done, then you can do how you are doing for PVW. CPM the same way we can do it. We can connect the remote session. We can connect to the RDP session like that. You understood the same procedure, the project creation, installation. Nothing. Same here like that. Once this is done, that is fine. Because I already installed a PSM. Remember this always. This is the one of the error type and home. Whenever they will ask you the question any errors you face like that, you can say this also. You can keep this and say this is the error which I was seeing for this resolution. Maybe I was not better password incorrectly or file times. Then I need to raise the ticket to unlock my account, like the patents. No, built on the story and say them. These are the practical scenarios. These are the practical scenarios. The companies will expect this only. They will not expect complete whole cyber cancellation in the entire. I have given incorrect password. That's the reason it came like this. Now we can see once the installation is done, we can able to see this, the PSM, click on that. What on all their PSM server? PSM. These are the servers. This is the PSM admin. You must specify the reason for this operation. Here also reason personal connecting server. You can check that all. What is there, exactly how it is. This is the password PSM server password. Your PSM server is created. This is the password of the. You can copy and paste it. If you want to change the password, you can change it, and here also connecting. I like that. You have to check. This is also the password. I hope you understand today. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@uptalk.com.